At a very difficult moment for Ireland and the wider world, the Government has been determined to do everything possible to help our country through an historic pandemic, a major recession and a range of other urgent issues. In forming this Government, we understood the profound nature of the challenges we faced, and we gave a shared commitment to charting a new way forward. At every stage since the Government was formed, our focus has been on saving lives and protecting the ability of our economy to restore jobs and return to growth. Every single member of government has worked intensively dealing with a unique and rapidly changing situation. This included the harsh reality of a virus which itself mutated and became an even bigger threat. Working together with our public servants and people in every part of our society, remarkable things have been achieved. The impact of the virus has been terrible, but the facts show this to be lower than in most other countries. Unprecedented supports prevented a deep economic shock from being even more devastating. And of course, our world-leading vaccination programme has provided the foundation for the restoration of most elements of social and economic life. It is very rare that a public health initiative is also the most important economic foundation underpinning a budget. But there is no doubt that the increases in public services, social supports and investments we are implementing would have been impossible without the vaccination programme. I want to again acknowledge the great work of everyone involved in that vaccination programme. Our colleagues in the European Union delivered on the promise they made to me to give Ireland fast and fair access to vaccines on the same basis as even the biggest countries. Given the unfair attacks the European Union received at the start of this year, the record needs to be corrected to acknowledge how the rapid purchase and distribution of vaccines by the Union has been a spectacular success.